Hey boo, so today I am sharing with you my favorite feminine hygiene body care products that I use to smell good all day long. And baby, when I tell you that these are good, that's what I mean. Especially with women like you. So I guess I'll start off with the order in which I layer the products on my body. First thing that I always put on is a body spray. I don't know what it is about a body spray, but I just feel like putting a body spray on first just helps me smell good longer all day. I feel like my lotions and my perfumes and everything just projects more when I hit the skin with a body spray first. And these ones right here are by Carr. I truly love this discovery set. I'm definitely going to get another one when this one is over because I just can't choose between any of them. They all smell really good. The pink and the peach one, these are the sweetest smelling ones. This blue one smells like coconut, and this gold one is just so warm. Although it's sweet, it's warm like a vanilla, and it's probably leaning toward my favorite because you can wear this one with anything. After the body sprays, of course, I put on my deodorant, the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. I feel like when I wear this, I smell good for at least 48 hours. Like, this does not wear off. And I have to be honest, I have not been reaching for this as much as I used to. I am heavily back into my Salt and Stone natural deodorant because ever since I switched from tea tree to Dove antibacterial, thanks to you, I feel like the natural deodorant has just been hitting even heavier. Like, I can go all day long and be fresh, and we all know that natural deodorants do not work that way. So I'm going to show you what I do in an upcoming shower routine video. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss that. But the Donna Karan Cashmere Mist, baby, this is definitely life-changing. It helped me out so much when I just could not figure out what was going on with my body chemistry. I felt like I was getting funky fast, or I don't know what was happening. But this definitely saved the day. You could sweat, you could work out, you could do whatever, and this is going to keep you fresh. The next thing I do is go in with a lotion, and this one by Kiehl's, the Creme de Corpse. This one is not scented at all. I really like it because it just makes my skin feel so soft. And baby, when I tell you, the feet have not been crusty ever since I've been using this. If you have dry, itchy, flaky skin that's crusty and hard, baby, this is what you need. This keeps the skin so soft, so supple, and so beautiful. It's not the shiniest of the bunch, even though it do give some glow, but when I tell you it works to keep the skin soft and hydrated, that is what I mean. Now this soy milk and honey whipped body butter by Kiehl's, the Creme de Corpse, this right here, oh my god, this smells so good. Oh my god, like, I'm not good at like layering perfumes. Like, the last time I tried to do like a layering combo, I feel like I smelled like roach spray. But what I am good at is knowing what smells alike, and this smells like coconut along with this and this, the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Oh my god, if you wear this together, this is like a vacation, a dream, a coconut, Hawaii, a beach. Like, you smell so edible. And because you know it's creme de corps, you know that the skin is going to be soft and supple, and it's just going to hydrate and do very amazing and good things for your skin. Talk about smelling good. This right here, it smells good. Now the Josie Marie, I know you have seen this all over. The girls are always talking about this, and baby, when I tell you the glow that this here gives, this one doesn't have much of a smell either. Like, it is scented, but it's very mild, and it's almost like not there. This is the newest one, the newest scent, whichever one that it has. But I bought it to you because the girls always show you how beautiful it glows the skin up, right? This, it's called like a body butter, but the texture is more like a lotion. But when you put this on, the way it makes the skin glisten and glow, it is so pretty. But the girls did not tell you that this is firming. So even though this like doesn't knock your socks off with the scent, it will definitely impress you with the glow and the fact that it tightens the skin. Check their website, see some of the before and afters. That's what makes this right here tea. And the next thing I always go in with is my Bomb Boobs, babe. When I tell you this is the prettiest formula that I've had. Like, it's so freaking smooth, hon. Oh my goodness. Yes, babe. Like, oh, it's so good. I'm always playing with the formulas, trying to tweak it, trying to perfect it. And you know what? I think that I have landed in a really good place. And when it's like hot, we don't want to use a lot of heavy, thick products on the skin. So I've just been really concentrating it right in the center. And babe, when I tell you, my boobs are looking good. If you haven't got your Bomb Boobs off of my site, go there right now and get yours. Now this right here, the Fenty, babe, when I tell you, I believe I found my signature scent. This is so good. We talking about smelling good. You are going to smell good and you do not need a lot. When I say I simply touch this and like 2 fingers, like touch in it, and then I rub it like a little bit on the inner thighs, a little bit under the boobs, a little bit on the like pulse point, a little bit like by the armpits. Touch it, okay? Don't you scoop this out. It's not necessary. This projects. This smells up the whole room. When I say this is my signature scent, it's almost like a clean smell, but not. Like, it's almost like you're a person who just washed up and you just smell really good now that you have put on like your soap and your lotions, and you just like, it's your aura, it's your pheromones, it's your body smell. It smells so good. I want the perfume. I want whatever they have in this scent, because this right here, it smells so good and you only need a little. If you use a lot of this, I'm telling you, you are wasting it, because you don't need to. Like, if you're using it as a scent, all you need is a tiny bit. A little bit goes a very long way. And this is so luxurious. Like, talk about silky when you're rubbing it on. It is an experience. Amazing find. Okay, I'm so glad that I got this, because I will be getting this over and over again. This is my signature scent. This will Miss KiKi smell like, if you ever wanted to know. I smell like Fenty. The next thing I go in with is a body oil. Now this one by Carr I really like. It's the vanilla and verve, and I like this as a layering. I like this to put on last after I put other things on, because it's vanilla, and I feel like vanilla layers and pretty much goes well with anything during any season. I have to be honest, I don't like it just straight against the skin by itself, but I love it as the final touch to add the sheen, to add a little bit of extra. What's that smell? Who is that? You smell good. I love this for that. And you only need a little bit. It dries down pretty. It's not slippery, greasy, oily, can't grab nothing, chicken grease fingers. It's none of that. It's a beautiful, lightweight oil that you will feel great in the summertime. It adds a little bit of glow, and the smell is going to turn heads. I can promise you that. Now, after I put the oil on, because TikTok taught me to put the dusting powder on after you have put the oil on, so that's what I do. This one smells like Coco Mademoiselle, and I just feel like that's just a very classy scent. I feel like it's light, it's airy, it goes with anything. I use this like on my chest, inner thighs, back of the neck, underneath the arms. Like, this is probably my favorite part of my body routine. to be honest with you, the dusting powder. I feel so luxurious and rich and so feminine and girly when I use this boo. It's so nice. And then lastly, of course, I will go in with a fragrance, and it just depends on what's going on. So a safe bet is always to just go in with a vanilla scent. Like, it just goes with everything. Like I said, it's warm, it's sweet, it works well with most body chemistries. Like, vanilla is just always just gonna be a safe bet as far as what do you want to smell like, what are you trying to give with your scent. Like a gourmand, a very like edible type of scent, I feel like that's always a safe bet. Going to bed, most of the time I'll just grab the Cashmere Mist. This right here came with the deodorant. It's a like, I think it's like a free gift with purchase. The deodorant is $35 by itself, but this came free with the deodorant because I paid like $35 for the set. So this is also very just a safe thing to smell like. Like, baby powder is always, it's always cool to smell like baby powder. Like, so if I'm going to bed, most likely I just reach for this because it smells like baby powder. Sometimes I will reach for the Jo Malone because this one right here, the Mimosas and Cardamom, it's just like, it's fresh, but it's warm and it's sexy and it's inviting, and it's just like, I just love this smell. Like, this is just like one of those perfect in-between type of scents. It's not too sexy and flirty, and it's not too mild, and it's not too soft, and it's not too warm. It doesn't lean too much of anything really, which just makes it a very perfect scent for so many different occasions, whether you're wearing it at bedtime, it's nighttime, it's date night, it's during the day, it's working out, it's brunch, it's meeting with friends, it's a coffee date. Like, I feel like this is just like an appropriate scent for any occasion. And you get so much. I use this all of the time, and look at how much gone. Like, I use this all of the time, and I spray the heck out of it, babe. So this right here is a great buy. Now, if it's daytime, like it is like summer, spring, I want to give fresh, I want to give that citrus smell, I want to give like awaken, vibrant, I go with the Aquade Diggio. This smells so good. Like, it's fresh, it's citrusy, it's like spring, summery, clean, even has like a clean undertone. This is always something to wear during the summer and spring months. It's very safe. You smell so good. The Aquade Diggio, they have like a pattern that they kind of go off of. So if you like any of their fragrances, I'm sure you would like this. And I'm particularly pointing this out because it goes well with the body products that I showed you. Like, it doesn't matter if you put it on your coconut scent or you're putting on your Fenty scent. This smells good with it. And you know what else I really like with that Fenty scent? I love the Coffee Break by Mason Margiela. That smells so good with the Fenty scent. But baby, I'm waiting to sit back and be able to go and get this Fenty perfume, because when I tell you that's my signature scent, that's my signature scent. But yeah, girl, this smells so good, okay? So long lasting, so fresh and airy. So yeah, girl, let me know in the comments what you use to smell good, because sweating a lot, you know, it's just not what's up, okay? We're too cute to be out here smelling like a gold, okay? We're not gonna do it. We're gonna have our beautiful shower routine, and we're gonna put on our beautiful body products that smell so good that when we walk past people, they can't help but to turn their head in a good way. Not like, wow, horrible, get her away from me now. Okay, so be sure to let me know what you use, because when you told me about that Dove antibacterial soap, girl, I went and got it and I love that so much. So let me know what you use. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to join my free VIP beauty community. It's all about beauty, makeup, skincare, and fashion. And it's me, KiKi Carr, in your DM, letting you know what's tea, keeping you abreast to what's hot, what's not, okay, with all of the things, because it is my job to keep you looking good. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, click like, click share, click subscribe, duh, and I'll be sure to see you on the next one.